I went to the Extraterrestrial public lecture and learned a lot from lecturer Seth Shostak. I learned from Shostak's organization Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI. It looks specifically for intelligent life rather than what Shostak simply referred to as dumb life. Additionally, as humans, we should stop assuming what extraterrestrial life looks like. Shostak brought up the stereotypical large black eyes and green heads, which was hysterical to him. Although this look is foreign to us, this is still somewhat similar to how we look. 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, 2 legs to walk on, 2 arms, and so on. Instead, we should consider a completely different biochemistry for extraterrestrial life, and therefore consider that they may live somewhere we deem inhabitable. Shostak is also interested in searching for synthetic life. If there is such thing as extraterrestrial life, which, according to Shostak, there is, then they would be far more advanced than us. In this case, they will have mastered artificial intelligence. This is why we should consider synthetic life as well when speaking about extraterrestrial life. There were items mentioned throughout the public lecture that I already knew, such as the simple fact that we are looking for extraterrestrial life and that Mars is a major area of interest for extraterrestrial life. However, extraterrestrial life and astronomy is not something I personally came up with, so most of the information was new to me. Shostak sparked an interest in astronomy altogether for me. I used to be extremely interested in astronomy, but never found the time to truly immerse myself in the topic. Given that Seth Shostak is an astronomer himself, he was the perfect person to spark this interest in me again. Being a computer science major, I am interested in hearing more about the artificial intelligence that the extraterrestrial life has mastered. I would like to learn more about what scientists theorize regarding artificial intelligence. For example, I would like to know more about why scientists theorize that extraterrestrial life has mastered artificial intelligence and what it means to have mastered it. Since the public lecture, I have watched a TED Talk by Shostak. He talks about how scientists are quickly and exponentially exploring the universe. He also mentions that Earth should have about 1 billion cousins in the universe and believes we will find extraterrestrial life in the next 24 years. This is interesting to me in that, although there are more than likely cousins of the Earth out there could still be other forms of extraterrestrial life as well. As I mentioned before, different types of extraterrestrial life have different biochemistries. The possibilities are endless. He mentions that we cannot predict how we will react to the extraterrestrial life when it does come. He assures that the extraterrestrial life will be far more advanced than us, once again reiterating points made previously. He also believes that it will philosophically affect us, because we will realize we're not the only ones out there. We will no longer feel as if we're the miracle, as he calls it, of the universe. Also, he mentions that the extraterrestrial life will give us hope because we're not all doomed for destruction. These are his predictions if we were to pick up a signal of extraterrestrial life. He goes on to talk about the importance of exploration to science literacy and people believing in science. Global warming is an example of this. If we were to discover extraterrestrial life, Shostak believes people will become more interested in science. Specifically, he talks about sparking interest in kids 8 to 11 in science. If extraterrestrial life was discovered, it could dramatically affect how people view science. SETI Institute, Shostak's organization, currently has 6 research divisions. These include astrobiology, astronomy and astrophysics, climate and biogeoscience, exoplanets, planetary exploration, and SETI itself. Extraterrestrial life is only a part of what the SETI Institute does, and there is so much more to learn about it.